How to buy crypto with Koho. First, open your preferred crypto exchange app, like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken, and make sure it supports Visa debit card purchases in Canada. Next, sign in and go to the Buy Crypto section. Choose the cryptocurrency you want, for example, Bitcoin or Ethereum, then select Payment Method. Here, add your Koho Visa card details. Enter your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Koho works like a regular debit card, so it should be accepted instantly if your exchange supports Visa debit. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the fees, and hit Confirm Purchase. Your crypto will appear in your exchange wallet in seconds. Koho may charge a foreign transaction fee if the exchange is outside Canada, so check that before buying. Thanks for watching.